Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, my name is Aulia Akbar Maulana. I'm from University and my class mechanical engineering A. Yes. Okay, I went to show a description of the mechanical engineering as in formal and informal. Okay. Yes, thank you watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Akbar Maulana from class Mechanical Engineering A. Yes, I would like to describe to material engineering. Screwdriver. Yes, screwdriver made of the metal and the plastic. Cylindrical, round and the flat on the top. At the top there is also handle for soft hand, and plus or min on the bottom. Yes, the measuring 3.5 to 20 cm in the width and 50 to 2050 cm in length, with a weight of 1050 gram. This screwdriver has a different color in gray, silver and black, with a range of the 20,000 to 50,000, and the function is to turn the screw. Yes, okay. Thank was the description of the screwdriver. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, what's up guys? Back to me Aulia Akbar Maulana from class Mechanical Engineering A, University. Yes, I want like to describe to material engineering screwdriver. Okay, screwdriver made of the metal and the plastic, cylindrical, round and the flap on the top. At the top there is also handle for soft hand. Okay, and plus or min in the bottom. Yes, the measuring 3.5 to 20 centimeter in the width and 50 to 2050 centimeter in the length. Yes, with a weight of on 2050 gram. This screwdriver has a different color in gray, black and silver. Okay, with a price of 20,000 to 50,000. Okay, is functional in the turn of the screw. Okay guys, you interested in this one on item? If yes, hungry the hardness shop. Hey. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Akbar Maulana from University, class Mechanical Engineering A. Okay, I would like to description to material engineering. This is my hammer. Okay, the hammer handle of the is made of iron and wood. The head of the hammer is made of steel. Shape the letter in T. This type of the hammer round and flat, like hammer like 25 to 35 centimeter, and hammer head width 10 to 25 centimeter. Hammer width 2.7 to 6 centimeter. Hammer weight 460 gram. Okay, the color in gray, silver, and black. At the price of 205 rupiah to 600 rupiah, and functional to nail, repair an object, for and metal and destroy an object. Okay, maybe. Thank you. I'll say thank you for watching. See you. Okay guys, back to Aulia Akbar Maulana channel. This my I would like to describe to material engineering hammer. Okay, the handle of the hammer is made of iron and wood. The head of the hammer is made steel. Shape the letter T. And the tip of the hammer round and flat. Okay, flat and round. Like the 25 to 35 centimeter. Hammer head with 10 to 25 centimeter. Okay, hammer with 2.7 to 6 centimeter. Hammer weight 460 gram. Okay, in color in gray, silver, and black. Okay, at the price 205 rupiah to 600 rupiah. And functional in the hammer, in the repair on the object, forget metal and destroy an object. Okay guys, this hammer turned out to be multifunctional and easy to install. Okay, and maybe and the video is her first class. See you, thank you.